Hi guys, today we'll be tying the black foam Gypsy King. Let's begin by laying down the thread base all the way to the beginning of the bend of the hook. Next, I'll secure some copper wire in place and leave that hanging for now. I'll then secure a single strand of black wool and 2 strands of peacock herl to the hook and begin taking wraps with the wool towards the eye of the hook. Cut out the excess wool and wrap the peacock herl over the wool. The wool helps in thickening the body of the fly. Grab the copper wire and counter wrap over the peacock herl, helicopter, to cut out the excess wire. Next, take your thread to the 3/4 way point of the hook and then grab some black foam, shape the tips, and secure in place. Tie in 3 strands of pearl crystal flash, followed by 4 black rubbers that will act as the legs of the fly. Separate the rubbers into 2 and slide each pair to either side of the fly and take tight thread wraps to hold in position. We'll then cut out a bunch of natural light deer hair, take out the loose fibers, and stack. Once the hair is well stacked, secure the wing in place, making sure it's the same length as the black foam. Then cut out the excess deer hair. At this point, you can add some head cement for durability of the fly. Next, grab a grizzly hackle, take out the fibers at the base to expose the stem, secure the hackle, and begin taking close wraps. And guys, if you'd like to purchase our flies, please visit our website linked in the description box below or drop us an email also provided in the description box. We sell our flies at wholesale prices and we can supply your fly shop. To form the thorax of the fly, grab the black form and take a few thread wraps just short of the eye. Then finish off with a whip finish. Cut your foam to size and shape the edges using your scissors. If you don't own a rotary vise, just turn your fly upside down and trim off the grizzly hackle at the bottom. Are you enjoying the video this far? Please subscribe to the channel to show your support, and to all subscribers, thanks for being here. Finally, you can separate the rubber legs on each side by taking apart the 2 pieces. That's the black foam Gypsy King.